What up, though? Good people, we back. You know what it is, your boy Double R's, Ratchet Roderick. I was hungry, man. I was in the middle of doing something, but I had to come stop and get something to eat. So I stopped right here in Career Time, Shake Shack. My homeboy hooking me up with the order, you know what I'm saying? Asked me if I want the good lemonade they got back there. Hell yeah, you know it. Yeah. Like I said, I was in the middle of doing something, so, you know, when nature calls, I had to go, you know.
What's happening? That drink though, crazy. Let's see.
Had to take a healthy bite, man. Yeah.
First time?
It's a good burger, by the way. Hell yeah, this shit good. I gotta go get some ketchup, though. They ain't give me no ketchup, man. Damn. I hate when the restaurant don't give me no ketchup. Y'all serve French fries.
Moments later.
What you rating? You eating the fries most of all.
Shake Shack. Since this is my first time, I ain't never been here. I got the
Y'all gotta stay tuned for part 2. If y'all want to get the reviews, yeah.
1 to 10. What you rating? You eating the fries most of all.
Shake Shack. Since this is my first time, I ain't never been here. I got the Korean fried chicken sandwich, just some French fries. Small lemonade, roughly $20. 1 to 10, I give it a 7.
It's a little bit below than what I thought, you know, but
I give it a 7 because
not an 8.
nah.
A solid 7. It don't even move the meter. It's right there. You saving that meter for something luxurious?
Well, I say this.
You think that you could
It's
taste
only
better?
a 7 because I had to go get my own ketchup.
Okay, so the service. Okay. But they run you your food though. I didn't think they was gonna do that.
That's what the number for.
It's a restaurant, basically. Low-key fast food restaurant. Welcome to the West Side. How y'all food over there? Like, when you trying something new, you mostly satisfied?
You talking about in Michigan?
Yeah, New York City, like, food, out the water.
I'll say this, in Michigan and Flint where I'm at, if it's a new restaurant, Flint is Flint is a small city. So my city not too long ago got this, I can't talk tonight, what the fuck? Flint is a small city. Flint is a small city.
Right.
So we don't have a lot going on. So my city just got a Chick-fil-A.
Oh, wow.
And I'm sure that line still wrapped around the corner. And I was like, what, maybe now 5 months ago? I say like late September.
It just dropped in out of nowhere.
Yeah. They just got his first Chick-fil-A. And I ain't even there to see it, but you know, I do see it by Facebook and all that shit. That lemonade hit. I get that lemonade at 10.
Yeah, but they mixed it with the what? Told them to put a splash of what?
Dragon fruit.
Exactly. Really, it's a 10 because you made it a 10. Wow.
I love Korean barbecue sauce. Sweet and spicy.
It's a burger too. That's the crazy part. They kind of executed it. Us.
It's not the best Korean chicken I done tasted.
Yeah, Koreatown. It's not the best. Gotta go to Europe. Gotta take a trip out to Korea.
I don't know, man. Maybe. Can't say no. It's just, you know, Korea. It's never been on my frontal lobe. But yeah, maybe one day that'll be cool. Korea, South Korea,
North Korea.
I think that'll be about it. I don't know. I mean, shit. Would you go to Japan?
Oh no, I gotta go with my girl or something. I ain't going by myself. I don't even want to go with a girl. I go to probably China. Japan just seems a little strict.
There is a free refill if you would like a free refill before you leave, okay, Papa?
Hey, that's cool, man, but we're just giving y'all some ratings.
What happened?
I said, that's cool. We're just giving y'all some ratings, right?
I'm glad.
I gave it a strong 7. I said a strong 7 because I had to give it ketchup. But it's cool. It's cool.
My bad, man. We're here to help, man. We're here to help.
But with the refill,
I got you.
oh man, 10. 10. 10. 10.
Before you get any other
10, for sure. 10.
It's already documented. Okay, he gone. Back to a strong 7. Said, get that ketchup. We got different refills.
Refill come in handy.
He said different refills. You can get a whole different drink.
Yeah.
It's crazy. The same cup. With no machine. You ain't at the machine. This is real juice.
Oh, that was bro. He just said, I think they get here tomorrow night, 11:30 p.m. But he calling them to check. I hope they get here 11:30 a.m.
The opposite. I gotta wait. You know?
That's hitting right there, boy. We could bust a move.
This nigga just got a whole different cup. This nigga done ate ice cream, got cold drinks. This nigga really playing out in the rain. Preparing for his brothers and sisters.
Man?
The ultimate plate.